In this episode, you will see interior doors manufacturing process. Doors. We use them every day. They provide privacy, separate one space from another, and emphasize the interior design. Depending on their intended use, they must meet functional requirements, affecting, among others, durability or acoustic insulation. They should also reflect the latest design trends. Today, modern technologies are used in the production and design of interior doors. And we will take a look at the entire process by visiting the Classen factory in Zvanovice. The beginning of door production is a design office, where everything starts with a drawing. This is where new designs, technical documentation, as well as visualizations for marketing purposes are created. The wood-based materials warehouse contains all the elements used for door manufacturing. Here we have MDF and HDF boards, solid chipboards, veneers, as well as fillings in the form of tubular chipboards. From the warehouse, materials are transferred to the cutting department, where semi-finished products are prepared for all other production departments. The boards first go to the cutting saw, where forms of specific dimensions are created. The form obtained in this way is transported by roller conveyor to the next stage of production. A multi-blade longitudinal saw is used to cut the pieces to a specific width. The machine spindle may include up to a dozen circular saws, which will be able to cut the form into the target pieces at the same time. Here, veneers are also prepared and formatted to the appropriate widths. This is done on a veneer winding and cutting machine. The semi-finished products prepared in this way are then sent to the doors and door frames manufacturing department. First, their outer layer is prepared. On the wide plane edge banding machine, raw HDF board is veneered with an appropriate decor. In the laminating section, calendaring rollers press the veneer onto the surface of the board. After a short pre-drying phase, the guillotine cuts the individual boards, which form the outer layer of the door. Next, to prepare the frame, a cross-cut saw cuts the elements to the required size. Next, handle reinforcements, among other things, are prepared. Elements prepared in this way are transferred to the door pressing line. First, the frame is assembled. Then, workers place the filling inside it. In the next station, the structure is glued to the outer panels. In a multi-platen hydraulic press, the whole piece is permanently joined together. In this way, we obtain an unformatted door leaf, which is seasoned in a through-flow cooler. On the next line, the edges are automatically profiled and veneered. This is the final stage where all orders are executed according to one universal process. At this point, works that will allow obtaining the configurations ordered by the customer begin. Time for finishing works. Holes for hardware, hinges and locks are milled and drilled. This is done on an automatically controlled production line. Cutouts for glass and ventilation are also executed automatically. Insert strips reinforce the spaces where the glass will be placed. These elements are installed manually. Another way of finishing doors is varnishing, and we have found out that currently the most popular color is white and its various shades. The packaged doors are transported to the finished product warehouse. Every day, around 3,000 interior door leaves are produced in the Classen factory in Zvanovice. Klassen's products are available for customers in Poland and 36 other countries.